For us, the process was looking at the space we had and was it helping us live out our values, live out the way we want to work together. And we realized that our space was holding us back.
We had team members sitting in all areas of the whole floor, so we couldn't all collaborate together.
It was designed for working at your desk with paper. That's not who we are.
The goal for the new space was to provide a more open and collaborative area for us as an organization to come together. We also needed a larger space because we were outgrowing our old space.
Perry really did a nice job of hearing what we wanted to look for in new space. Really helped us narrow it down, and then helped us put together a great team.
Perry was awesome. That's all I can say. He was great to work with, and utilizing him and then him suggesting all these other team members that could help us because he could see the holes that we couldn't see.
Tom and Ariadne, they just took care of it. They could somehow translate what the builder needed and what the architect wanted and what we were looking for and make that one cohesive language, and you can see what it really did.
Having somebody who has experience like they have, and they were able to bring in companies that they've worked with before, and we could have never done that.
Tom, was just priceless in terms of what we did in this project. Kept us on budget, kept the construction team honest to what they were doing, and that was crucial as we went through this.
We would recommend every single person that we worked with. They just got the job done.
It's not what we do. This is not our background, and so having somebody to be able to step in and do that without the emotion of leaving a current office, going to a new office, and really staying on task was really important.
I like coming into work. I like coming downtown and working in this place.
It's just exciting to have a new space and these beautiful buildings and seeing other people around.
From the aspect of the layout and the design and everything, it's exactly what we wanted. I love it.
Tom really understands what it means to develop a space and to do it right, and he really provided a great resource for us.
The space matters. The space that you work in matters, and I feel like this space has been created to empower us to do the work that we are supposed to be doing.